guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Ipsy Unbagging per usual. Yes, that is a label. I'll zoom in just a minute. But before we get started into all of that, I just want to say thank you for being patient with me and just staying subscribed to my channel. I do my best to put out weekly videos, and sometimes things don't go as planned, but hey, that's life. So anywho, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I got an Ipsy bag, and the label you see here says keep package away from direct sunlight. So not too sure why, but we finna find out. I mean, I have an idea why, you know, but I'm not too sure. So let's open it up. Let's see what we have in here. I feel something. Sorry, that threw me off. Oh. Okay, so I feel it's a mask. Very nice. And looks a little bit more orangey in person than it does on camera. So it's like an orange red. Still very cute. It's like the faux leather, so easy to clean. That's good. Just wipe it on down, and from what we can see, the lining, it's black. So let's go ahead and dig in. Okay, of course, the first thing I feel is, who said nights were for sleep? My old granny self said it. Not all the time, but yes. Okay, so got a box. Sundays. What about Sundays? Okay, all I know is it's 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Maybe it's nail polish. I haven't got nail polish in a while. Have you guys noticed? I used to get nail polishes like almost in every bag. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Whoa! I am definitely liking this color, guys. Can you see that, darling? Okay, so looks like blood. I like it. Red, red, red. Okay, I'll stop. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we starting off good. Okay, I like to start off good, okay, and end off good too, or better. But let's see. Anywho, bubble wrap. Okay. Oh, Pixie by Panther. Now it's an eyeshadow duo. It's called Plum Lace. It looks a lot like one I got from them before. Hold that thought. Okay, so it's not the exact same one, but it's pretty darn close. Let me show you. So this is a new one, of course, because it's still wrapped. Can you see that? This one is called Orchid Ornament, and this one is Plum Lace. Sorry if I pause. Light got in my eye. Blinded me for a quick second. Let's open this one up. Okay. I'm liking this. Kind of looks like my nail polish, like a mauve. Looks a lot lighter. So they're not exactly the same, because the darker one in here is a lot lighter than the one in here. But the shimmer one is a lot lighter than this one. Do y'all know what I mean? So it's not the same, but it's close. Let's swatch it, shall we? Okay. Let me sit back so we can swatch it. So, here we go. That's the light one. Y'all see that? Ooh, I'm not wearing no jewelry for y'all today, huh? That's okay. And then the dark one. Okay, I'm not mad at all. I really am digging these colors. So, I'll say we 2 for 2. A little close up for y'all. Okay, I need to stop right now. Alright, Next thing in here is, ooh, okay, Buxom. A little shimmer gloss, is that what it is? Yep, lip polish. You know we gotta check because highlighters be coming in this too. So I'm just making sure before I swap some highlighter on my lips. I mean, it wouldn't be all that bad, but this thing will open. Okay, whew. Y'all know I don't like doing no sticky gloves. It's sticky, but I don't know how sticky it is. Very sticky. Beautiful color in the bottle, because it's, you know, kind of clear on my skin. Okay, first I can't I'm finna drop y'all, my bad. Okay, first I can't open it, and then I can't close it. Y'all see that? Y'all can already see it's sticky, like I ain't even kidding. You see my hand? Not as sticky as the one I got from before, but not for me. I'll probably end up giving that to my niece, Selena. Baby, I know you watching. Or my mom, depending on who wants it first. Okay, and then we got, did I use this? Mascara, duh, Amy. Okay, I got thrown off for a second because I picked it up like that. But Glamour Dolls mascara. Okay, now I've heard Glamour Dolls is a good company. I don't know if y'all heard otherwise, but I've heard. So, let's see. Okay, so it is in black, which y'all can see. Let's take a look at the brush. See if the brush is okay. The wand is white. Why is it white if it was all in? How much product we really getting up in this? Okay, I like the wand. It'll get all my lashes, you know, and I do have pretty long hair. I ain't looking at y'all. I'm just trying to show y'all, but I'm doing a horrible job. But I mean, y'all see that? The bag is doing just. My hand ain't even ready. Anyways, okay, I'm happy. A new mascara is always a good thing for me. And then, last but not least, whatever's in here is heavy. Oh, you're the culprit of why we had that label. Aerosol. Okay, before I break it. Okay. Ooh, texturizing spray. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really good. It's from Oribe, is what I'm gonna say. My Hispanic stuff is gonna say Oribe. Maybe it's Oribe. I don't know. But it's a dry texturizing spray. It smells really good. I can still smell it. Do I see texture? It smells really good though. Let me smell my hair all day. I mean, I already do, cause it's clean. But so I'm very happy. Least favorite, hands down, bone. Don't like me no sticky gloves. I really like the smell of this, but y'all know, if you know me, I wear eyeshadow. Let me see my eyeshadow. Polish. My two favorites. And then third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so winners. Dun, 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 dun. First, second. Anywho, I'm very happy, and I do think the bag is cute. Very cute, little subtle detail. I kind of wish they would have made the mask black, you know, so it could look like a lace mask. But because it's drawn on or etched in or whatever this is, it's printed on like it's lace. But I really wish it was black. This is why Ipsy should have us vote on things like our bags someday, hopefully. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and like this video. Helps my channel not only grow, but you know, helps this video make it up to other people. And please comment down below, let me know if you still haven't got your Ipsy bag, why not? Okay, if you have your Ipsy bag, what you get? And if you just really don't care for getting an Ipsy bag, but you like watching the videos, because you know that's what we do, of what I got, what did you like? Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya, bye.